Hi there, welcome to the channel Brainizer. This helicopter model we have made in our last video. We'll try to give it a flying capability, though it is quite heavy and not aerodynamically designed. Using a string, it can fly round and round inside the home. To make it, you need a small 3-volt DC motor and a plastic propeller. To power it up, you need two AA battery or AAA battery or a 3.7 volt LiPo battery. Now, at the back of the tail wings, we are going to feed this DC motor. Push the wire in and then push the motor as much as possible. Stick it with glue so that it cannot come out. Then push the propeller and make it fit as tightly as possible. Make sure it is freely rotating. Now place the battery at the front side. If you hang it from the hook, you can see the back side is heavier. We have to do something to make it straight. So we have decided to open the propeller from there and move it back. So you have to find a center position. So I have moved around 1.5 centimeter back and made another hole. There stick a pipe and glue it firmly, then paint it black. Pass the copper wire again through it and place the propeller back. Now see, it is straight. You may need to do a couple of try to find the center point. Once done, hang it from a string and make sure it is flat. Now I have hanged it from the fan. Now switch on the motor, make sure the air is flowing from the front to back and then give it a little push. It will soon get its own circular path and start rotating round and round and round. It will not move away from the house, it will be rotating there and looks very beautiful. No need remote control, nothing, it will be just rotating like that. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching the video. Try to make your own. There are more videos about string guided bird or aeroplane you can watch in this channel.